Good afternoon all. Today we are going to discuss about post-fertilization events. That post-fertilization events are, we already completed that endosperm development, embryonic development, ovule matures into seed. Now come to the topic fruits now. That fruits. This is already completed in first year also. Just briefly, after fertilization, ovary develops into fruit. Ovary develops into fruit after fertilization. That is very important. Ovary is a 2N, fruit also 2N. After fertilization, ovary develops into fruit. Compulsory fertilization required here. Ovary develops into fruit. Ovary wall, I told you ovary wall develops into fruit wall. Ovary wall develops into fruit wall. That is also called a pericarp. Pericarp. Fruit wall also called pericarp. Pericarp, fruit wall both are 2N only. Ovary wall also 2N. Pericarp helps in protection. I told you. But in some fruits, pericarp may be fleshy. Pericarp, fleshy. Pericarp. So based on pericarp, some fruits are fleshy. Well, fleshy. Fleshy example, mango, orange, guava. These are pericarp is fleshy. I mean, when you touch the fruit, you may feel soft like this. Pericarp is fleshy like this. Of course, some fruits pericarp is dry. I mean, when you touch that, you are not getting the soft. Hard it is. Hard. Uska example, rice, paddy, wheat, sunflower, etc. These are all nothing but dry pericarp. Pericarp may be fleshy in mango, orange, guava. Dry pericarp is seen in rice, wheat, sunflower, etc. These are nothing but based on pericarp. So, fruits generally two types of fruits. Two types of fruits. One is the true fruits, and another one is the false fruits. Types of fruits is the true fruits and false fruits. What is true fruits are? After fertilization, ovary develop into fruit. Exactly. That is said to be true fruit. Yeah, after fertilization, ovary develop into fruit, true fruit. इसका example, tomato, mango. Ovary only contribute to give the fruit. Ovary only, I mentioned the word. Only ovary contribute to give the fruit is a true fruit. Tomato, mango. Here false fruits, not only ovary, other floral parts also. Not only ovary, other floral parts also contribute to give the fruit. That fruits are called false fruits. इसका example, apple, cashew nut, strawberry. So these are all our example false fruits. False fruits will not only ovary, other floral parts also contribute to give the fruit. Sometimes question, apple is a false fruit, 2 mark question. Apple is a false fruit. Is it correct? Can you explain briefly? Yes, apple is a false fruit because in apple, thalamus is contribute to give the fruit. In apple, cashew nut, strawberry, what floral part contribute to give the fruit? Thalamus. So thalamus is a contribute to give the fruit here. That's why these fruits are all false fruits. This is one type of classification of the types of fruits. Now I said pericarp. Pericarp may be fleshy. Pericarp is fleshy. When pericarp is fleshy, then it is divided into three parts. Pericarp when fleshy. If it is hard, that time no differentiation. When pericarp is fleshy, that time only differentiate. Epicarp, mesocarp, endocarp. Mesocarp and endocarp. So pericarp fleshy, epicarp, which is presented outside. Mesocarp in between epi and endocarp. Endocarp inner layer. For example, mango, coconut you take. Mango, coconut both are are drupe fruits. Mango, coconut. I told you already, this is in first year. Mango, coconut both are drupe fruits. Drupe. Mango, coconut are both are drupe fruits. Drupe means they develop from monocarpellary syncarpous superior ovary with a single seed. Those are both are drupe fruits. What is the common character in a mango and coconut? Both are drupe fruits. What is the difference of this mango and coconut? Mango outer layer, I mean epicarp is thin. Mango epicarp is thin. Then coconut epicarp also thin. Mango mesocarp is fleshy edible, eatable. Mango mesocarp is a fleshy edible. But coconut mesocarp is fibrous. This is the differentiation. Coconut mesocarp is fibrous. Endocarp, both mango and coconut stony hard. Mango and coconut stony hard. So when pericarp is differentiated epi, meso, endo, the differentiation of this epi, meso, endocarp in coconut and mango. Mesocarp in mango is thin, fleshy edible, but in coconut is a fibrous. Remaining epi and endocarp is same in coconut and mango. Next one more important word. Parthenocarpy fruit. Parthenocarpy. Very, very important. 100% question. Parthenocarpy fruit is a 2-mark question. Very important. 2-mark question. Parthenocarpy fruit. Parthenocarpy means generally after fertilization ovary contribute to the fruit. But here without fertilization. Without fertilization ovary contribute to give the fruit. Without fertilization. Without fertilization ovary contribute to give the fruit. That is called parthenocarpy. Example, banana. Parthenogenesis is different, Rabuji. Parthenogenesis means the female gamete directly develops into new organism without fertilization is called parthenogenesis. That is belongs to organism. Now I am saying fruit. Parthenocarpy means without fertilization, ovary contribute to give the fruit. Parthenocarpy fruit. Example, banana. By parthenocarpy, seedless fruits also produce. Seedless. Parthenocarpy, seedless fruits. Seedless fruits also produced by parthenocarpy. The chance to ask, name the process which can produce seedless fruits. Parthenocarpy process. How seedless fruits are produced? By inducing of growth hormones. What are the growth hormones? Auxins. By inducing growth hormones, auxins and gibberellins. Auxins and gibberellins, we can produce seedless fruits by parthenocarpy process. ये seedless fruit का example, seedless grapes, seedless orange, novel oranges. Seedless grapes to novel oranges, example for parthenocarpy process. This is generally, fruits. Then different simple fruits, aggregate fruits, schizocarpic, different way. That already discussed in first year. No need now. This is a brief information. After fertilization, ovary develop into fruit. Ovary, 2N, fruit also 2N. This is the types of fruit, true and false fruits. Then parthenocarpy fruits. False fruit is nothing but false fruit. Other floral parts contribute to give the fruit after fertilization. Apple. Parthenocarpy, without a fertilization, ovary develop into fruit. Careful on that. Next, some important one. Importance of seeds. Significance of seeds. Importance of seeds or significance of seeds. 3-mark question important. Importance or significance of seeds. Importance of seeds or significance of seeds. This is 3-mark question, important 3-mark question. Importance or significance of seeds. So I told you already, ovule develop into seed. Pollination, fertilization. Pollination, 2019 theory question analysis. Pollination, fertilization. Fertilization is independent of water. Independent of water. Pollination, fertilization is independent of water, but germination of seed, developing of seed, germination of seed is a dependable, more dependable, very important. Which of the following is correct? Identify the correct statement. Right side. Pollination and fertilization is independent of water process. Then, but germination of seed is more dependable on water. Then, what is the significance of the seed, sir? Seed is the main basis of agriculture. First important point, basis. Seed is the main basis of agriculture, of our agriculture. So everyone using seeds only in agriculture maximum time. Basis of agriculture. Seed have hard seed coat. Hard seed coat. Hard seed coat helps in protection. Key point. What is the use of hard seed coat? Hard seed coat helps in protection. Next, hard seed coat helps in protection. Seeds are produced by sexual reproduction. Seeds are produced by sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. So they are having variations. Variations involved in produce evolution. Evolution. This is one more important point. Seeds are stored the food material. Seeds are stored food material. Stored food material. So that food material is helpful for the up to formation of leaves and carry out photosynthesis. Very, very important. For example, seeds show the food material. When seeds are sown in the soil, when sown in soil, it germinates and develops into big plant. Of course, when germinating up to the formation of leaves, generally leaves only carry out photosynthesis. Up to germination, up to formation of leaves to carry out photosynthesis. Up to the time who are giving the food material means seeds only giving the food material. Basis of our agriculture, hard seed coat and protection. Seeds are produced by sexual reproduction and that's why they have variation. So it is helpful for in evolution. Seeds are nothing but stored food material. It is helpful for up to formation of leaves and carry out photosynthesis. And one more important point, dehydration and dormancy. These very, very important words. Dehydration and dormancy. Dehydration and dormancy is a crucial role. Dehydration and dormancy show the crucial role involved in dormancy of the seeds. I mean germination of the seeds. Dehydration, dormancy. Which of the following factors are play crucial role in dormancy of the seeds or germination of the seeds? A chance to ask. This is the importance. If 3-mark question, any 3 points enough for that 3-mark question. Next important one, oldest viable seeds. Oldest viable seeds. Oldest viable seeds. See here, I'll give that oldest viable seeds. In textbook there is a oldest viable seeds. Oldest viable seeds. Oldest viable seeds. Oldest viable seeds. There is 2 seeds. Lupin. 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 Scientific name Lupinus archaiticus. Lupinus archaiticus. This is scientific name. It is excavated from Arctic tundra. Excavated from Arctic tundra. Arctic tundra. So Lupinus archaiticus, it shows the dormancy 10,000 years. 10,000 years. Name the plant show the 10,000 years dormancy. Lupinus archaiticus. It is excavated from Arctic tundra. Very important. Oldest viable seed. Next, date palm. Date palm is nothing but Phoenix dactylifera. Phoenix dactylifera. Phoenix dactylifera. Kajura. Date palm is Kajura. Phoenix dactylifera. So it is nothing but it shows a dormancy 2,000 years. 2,000 years dormancy. Phoenix dactylifera. So it is excavated from King's Herod's Palace. King's Herod's Palace. King's Herod's Palace near Dead Sea. King's Herod's Palace near Dead Sea. This is a date palm. Sometimes the chance to ask. Name the 2,000 year. Name the plant which show the 2,000 years dormancy. Date palm. Phoenix dactylifera. Where it is excavated from? It is excavated from King's Herod's Palace near Dead Sea. This is important one. And one more important word, some keywords. Orchids. Orchid having 1,000 tiny seeds. Orchids. Orchids Rabodi. Orchids having 1,000 tiny seeds. 1,000 tiny small seeds. 1,000 tiny seeds are present in orchids. Similar characteristics present in some parasites. I mean these 1,000 type of seeds. Similar characteristics present in some parasitic species. Parasitic species. Those are called Warabonchi. Warabonchi and Striga. Warabonchi and Striga. So important words. Orchid having 1,000 tiny seeds. That similar characteristics present in some parasitic species such as Warabonchi and Striga. This is the important information about seeds and fruits. From these, any doubts you ask me. Next topic, apomixis. Very important. Apomixis. Chance to ask question. Define apomixis and write the significance of apomixis. 3-mark question. Apomixis. Apomixis. Very, very, very important. Apomixis. What is meant by apomixis, sir? So, the seeds are produced without fertilization, without meiosis division. Seeds are produced without fertilization. Fertilization and reduction division, RD, meiosis. Without fertilization and reduction division, that seeds are called apomictic seeds. Apomictic seeds. That process is known as apomixis. The seeds are produced by without fertilization, without reduction and division, meiosis division, directly produced. The type of seeds are apomictic seeds. That process is known as apomixis. इसका example generally seen in apomixis, grass plant, Asteraceae family. So apomixis seen in grass and Asteraceae family. Without fertilization, without meiosis division, directly develops into seeds. Apomixis generally it is asexual. Apomixis is generally asexual. Mimics sexual reproduction. Generally asexual. Mimics sexual reproduction. Sir, why is it asexual? Why is it mimic sexual? Because there is no fertilization. That's why asexual. Why is it sexual? Seeds are produced. That is sexual. Seeds are sexual product. Directly new cellular cell. MMC directly develops into seeds. Generally in ovule to N diploid in condition. In ovule inside nucellus is there. One of the nucellus cell near micropylar end turns into MMC. We recall the story. MMC show the meiosis division. Megaspore mother cell show meiosis division. Megaspore tetrad form. From megaspore tetrad, only one will be functional. That megaspore. Functional megaspore develops into female gametophyte or embryo sac, which is in haploid in condition. In embryo sac, egg cell is there, haploid in condition. Then fusion of egg and male gamete, then form zygote. Zygote develop into embryo. Embryo development, then ovule develop into seed. That is diploid in condition. That much of story is there. But here, there is no some nucellular cell, there is no meiosis, directly develops into seeds. Then MMC directly develops into seeds. Diploid MMC directly develops into seeds. That is nothing but apomixis process. Directly develops. Sir, what is the significance? What is the importance of this apomixis process, sir? Generally, agriculture farmers, agriculture farmer, they are facing very, very, very critical problems. Everyone, seed buying, then cultivation, everything very, very hard. So, agriculture farmer need to cultivate any crop. First, they should buy the seeds. They went for market and buy the hybrid seeds. When buy the hybrid seeds, which is more expensive. Which is correct or not, we don't know. After buying the seeds, if they are germinate or not, we don't know. If they are giving good crop or not, we don't know. However, hybrid seeds are buying. cultivation will be there. Then crop came. Next year, need to cultivate the same seeds. Again next year need to buy hybrid seeds. Again next year need to buy the hybrid seeds. Again next year need to produce the hybrid seeds. Why, sir? These hybrid seeds are produced by sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction, it gives a variation. There is a character segregation is there. Segregation of character. Segregation means separation. Separation of character. That's why they change the character. Maybe next year the same character will be not. That's why in place of hybrid seeds, time waste to producing every year, hybrid seeds are time waste and more expensive to the farmer. Instead of hybrid seeds, apomictic seeds are used. Apomictic seeds are, instead of hybrid seed, apomictic hybrid seeds are used. There is no segregation. There is no segregation of character. There is no change of character. It is asexual without fertilization. Asexual. Asexual means only one parent involved. Without fertilization, only one type of character only. There is no segregation of characters. Only one type of. So, there is no segregation. So, instead of hybrid seeds, apomictic seeds are used for agriculture. Then no chance to produce. No need of production of every year. Because apomictic seeds are not change any character. Apomictic seeds are called clones. Why called clones? Because they are produced by sexual reproduction. Apomictic seeds are also called clones. Important significance, instead of hybrid seeds, apomictic seeds are used in agriculture. No need of production of every year like hybrid seeds when used apomictic seeds. Apomictic seeds, why are using? No segregation of the character. Apomictic seeds are also used in genetical research. Research works to identify the different things. These are the apomictic seeds. Sometimes question 3 mark, apomixis. 3 mark question, define apomixis. In which plants they show the apomictic seeds. Significance, important. Next, concept polyembryony. Polyembryony. See, polyembryony. Polyembryony means development of embryo is embryonic. Polyembryony means more than one embryo. Occurrence of the more than one embryo in a embryo sac. Occurrence of more than one embryo in a embryo sac is a polyembryony. Example, iska example, mango, citrus plants. Mango and citrus plants. How, sir? So, for example, this is the embryo sac. This is the nucellus. We know nucellus. Some of the this is here microphylla redia. This is the excel fused with the male gamete, then form zygote. Zygote develop into embryo. Here embryo there. That microphylla redia. Some of the nucellus cell protrudes. Into embryo sac directly. A nucellus cells are diploid. Nucellus cells are diploid. Some of nucellus cell, sometimes integument cells also protrude, means enters into embryo sac. Then embryo sac felt it is embryo. So by resulting of more than one embryos are formed in embryo sac. That's said to be polyembryony. Polyembryony, more embryos are formed from sometimes nucellus cells, sometimes integument cells are directly protrude into embryo sac. That is a polyembryony condition. Polyembryony. So this is nothing but apomixis and polyembryony. I will give the 3 words, Prabhuji. False fruits without fertilization. False fruits means not only ovary, other floral parts contribute to give the fruit. False fruit. Apple, cashew nut, strawberry. Parthenocarpy. Without fertilization, ovary develop into fruit. Parthenocarpy. Example, banana. Apomixis. Without fertilization, without reduction division, seeds are developed. That is called apomictic seeds. Very important. Apomictic seeds. Thank you.